that took place in one of the villages. There was a time I was traveling together with the president from village to village, and we met the people of this village, called it Galalshe, where there was a hidden genocide. And as some of you may know, the problem in Ethiopia and the problem in that region is that the people are afraid of the government. So whenever there is a governmental meeting, whenever they are meeting someone from the government, all they have to say is that they support the government, they love the government, and everything is good. But during this time in this village, there was an old man who couldn't take it, who was speaking from his heart. So I will show you what that old man was saying. Every village we went, everyone is afraid of the president and of the new place, and everyone was saying that they love the president and they have everything they need. The president is sort of fan of making film propagandas. So there was 2 cameramans with us, recording everything, so that later on they can edit and put it on the local TV they have. But there was this old man who couldn't take it. We couldn't just keep quiet.
magacayga Mubarak Yusuf baa leeyahay jidka 4 ku qoray oo kooliya inta walba meel dhignay waad soo marteen.
So he was talking to the president, and he was telling him about what the new police is doing to the people.
hadii uu ciidanka niyu booliska taraaragii uu arlada yimid dad leeday yaa jiraan meel ku dhaqan yahay aan garanahay waraabiye carraaway cidlu socday kurka ka gow ina gaadidnimo cidnimo weedan kii safarka ah hawa toonta.
He told us about a hidden genocide that took place in his village, MARQAATIGA.
cidlu socday kurka ka gow kii Allah sidaas kolkay noqoto dadkii buuro uu fakaray.
One of the drivers of the president was with the new police during that time. He was driving one of the new police vehicles, and he was the one who told me. So what they did was they make up a line, and they were moving, killing everyone around that village. The reason they were killing the civilian people of that village was that saying, you know about the rebels attacking us, so you were supposed to give us information, which means you were supposed to guard us, means that the civilian people should guard the new police. The killings were around 100 people during that day. After this genocide, everyone has fled away to neighbor countries.
dadka birta iyo dilka waa walaalihiin dadkiinni iyo dalkiinni iyo dunyadiinni baad u halgamaysaani dadka gacanta kulul dadka degmada Galashaa laga joojiyo sida aniga ila qoraxsan weeye.
Soon after the camera was off and after the meeting was done, he ordered the new police to arrest the old man, and they arrested him. But after they arrested him, I don't know where they took him, but they took him in custody. The video was very long, but we will not have time to watch the whole video, so I took this as a sample. As you can see, this old man were supposed to say that he loved the president and he loved the government of Ethiopia, but instead he couldn't stand it. He was talking from his heart, and because of this, he ended up in the hand of the militias. I don't know if they have killed him, or I don't know if they have took him to prison, but he will have two options, as my understanding. They might kill him, or they might take him to prison. If he goes to prison, he will go through the situation I was telling you about, the prison in Ogaden. He will be tortured, and then he might die because of the torture.